Welcome, brave soul, to the fog-shrouded corridors of the E-mini S&P 500 TPO Haunted Manor. Lantern in hand, let's uncover spectral levels, ghostly contexts, and spirit-safe trade ideas before you get spooked out of your gains. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,837, the creaky attic door. Pushing through requires a brave soul and plenty of momentum. Value area low, VAL, 6,752, the stone floor of the dungeon. If this cracks, we are falling into the abyss. Point of control, POC, 6,806, the grand fireplace where the most activity has manifested during the session. Support zone, 6,745 to 6,752, a series of heavy iron gates that keep the bearish ghouls at bay. Resistance zone, 6,837 to 6,845, a spectral barrier that chills any buyer attempting to climb higher. Single prints, escape paths, lower, 6,752 to 6,756, a secret passage behind a portrait. A quick retreat, here might find responsive spirits. Upper, 6,868 to 6,870, the high bell tower. A thin zone where the air is light and the sellers are scarce. Market context. The mansion is filled with the echoes of previous sell-offs, as price has spent the day wandering between the dungeon and the grand fireplace. The current atmosphere is one of nervous balance. We are haunted by the higher levels of the past 2 days, but a surge in positive delta suggests the mansion's residents are trying to tidy up the place. It is a game of hide and seek around the 6,806 POC as bulls try to light a fire. 3-day haunting through the corridors. Day 3, February 4th, POC 6945, high 6966, low 6862. The ballroom was full of life before the lights flickered out. Day 2, February 5th, POC 6906, high 6935, low 6764. A floorboard snapped and price fell into the dusty cellar. Day 1, February 6th, POC 6806, high 6870, low 6752, trapped in the basement with spirits attempting to float back to the attic. Volume analysis, cumulative, volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD negative 809 contracts. A cold breeze blew through the hall as the day began. Intraday peak, buying, CVD climbed to 26,591, a sudden manifestation of aggressive buyers trying to banish the bears. Current CVD, 23,274 net, positive 24,083 from open, indicating a strong presence of buyers holding the line in the corridors. Intraday low, CVD negative, 6,486, a momentary plunge into a trapdoor during the early morning hours. Interpretation. There's significant buying energy trapped in the walls. A failure to clear 6,837 could lead to a haunting reversal if these bulls lose heart. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near the stone floor at 6,752 to 6,758, or a breakout above 6,837. Stop loss, below the dungeon floor at approximately 6,745, or use a silver bullet, stop 8 points below entry. Profit target, the fireplace at 6,806 for a first partial, then the attic door at 6,837. Short trades. Entry zone, on a cold rejection of the attic door at 6,837 to 6,845. Stop loss, above the bell tower ledge at 6,872, or protective barrier 7 points above entry. Profit target, POC at 6806 for the first ghost, then the dungeon at 6752. Position sizing, use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Move your lanterns to break even once the first target is reached. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, climbing the rafters. The spirits break through the attic door at 6,837 and head for the roof. Setup, enter long on acceptance above 6,837. Stop at 6,825 near recent chop. Target 6,870 for the bell tower. Scenario B, scared of the dark. The market reaches 6,837, sees a ghost, and runs back down the stairs. Setup, short, a rejection of 6,837. Stop above 6,845. Target 6,806, then 6,752. Scenario C, basement bounce. Price dips into the dungeon floor at 6,752, but finds a protective amulet. Setup, long at 6,755. Stop at 6,745. Target 6,806 for a mean reversion play. Scenario D, the void opens. The stone floor at 6,752 crumbles, sending everything into the abyss. Setup, shorter break below 6,751. Stop at 6,760. Target 6,720 for a deep cellar exploration. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.